This is the full tour of SwardOps, the one app built to run a UK grounds or garden business end to end. We'll follow one job from one to paid, then go deeper. Crew, money, customers, compliance, equipment, reports, winter work, tree work, and subcontractors. Grab a brew. 14 minutes, the whole platform. Act 1. Winning the work. A customer rings. You build the quote in minutes, every line pulled from your own price book, so pricing is consistent and nothing's guessed. Group lines into packages, mark extras as optional add-ons, link the quote to the exact site, and add a personal covering message. Send it and the customer gets a clean branded page. No PDFs, no attachments. They pick their package, tick their extras, and accept online in one tap. The moment they do, everyone in your office gets the notification. Quote follow-ups chase themselves, a friendly nudge at day 3, another at day 7. You never chase a quiet quote again. Act 2. Getting it on the schedule. One click turns the accepted quote into a job on the board, with the quote lines as crew tasks. The schedule knows real drive times. It warns you when a day physically doesn't work, and the Optimize button reorders the day for the least driving. And the month view shows everything at a glance, with an unscheduled list of on-hold and won but unbooked work. Drag anything onto a day and it's booked. Nothing falls down the back of the sofa. Act 3. The cruise day. Your team never see the office side. No prices, no other customers. They see a phone screen built for a field gate, not a desk. The morning starts with a briefing wizard. Today's work, the kit list ticked out so everyone knows what's in which van, site keys, which vehicle, and whether they're towing. Kit that needs training the person hasn't got. It's locked. They physically can't take it. On site, they clock in, geo-fenced, and if you've turned it on, a point of work risk assessment appears before work starts. Hazards, controls, safe to proceed. A not safe answer stops work and alerts the office instantly. Every sign-off is filed with a name and a timestamp. Exactly what commercial clients ask for. Through the day, task timers, photos, notes, and the live map shows the office who's where, which doubles as lone worker safety, with an SOS button that works even from the lock screen. No signal, everything queues on the phone and syncs when coverage returns. The day ends at the yard. Kit back in, machine checks, account for your day, clock off. Timesheets build themselves from all of it. Nobody fills in a form on a Friday. Act 4. Getting paid. The moment the crew marks the job done, the invoice raises itself, quote lines carried across, deposit already credited, and emails the customer. The customer taps to pay, card through your own Stripe account, or direct debit through Go Cardless. Collecting in person, the invoice shows a QR code. Part payments, credit notes, and running statements are all in there, and everything syncs to Xero or QuickBooks. And for the slow payers, the debtors board shows who owes what, and the automatic chase ladder emails them. Friendly at first, firm at 30 days, final at 60. Every chase logged. Not VAT registered. One switch removes VAT from everything. That's the spine. One, scheduled, done, paid. Now the machinery around it. Act 5. What your customers see. Every completed visit can send a report. Work done, crew notes, photos, times. And each customer can have their own portal. Visits, invoices, quotes, messages. When a commercial client asks, "Did you actually go?" this ends the conversation. All their messages land in one inbox. Email, text, and WhatsApp in the same thread, and your reply goes back on whatever channel they used. Get a dedicated business number for about £1 a month, and if you miss a call on the mower, the caller's already been texted your booking link. When you want more work, campaigns email a segment of your base, everyone, active contracts or lapsed customers, with photos, opt-outs handled automatically. And recommendations let the crew flag extra work with photos. The customer requests the quote themselves from their own portal. Reminders, en route texts, review requests, all automatic, all optional, all carrying your brand. Act 6. The team and the paperwork that saves you in a dispute. Timesheets come from real on-site actions, with overtime calculated your way. Lateness is tracked with rolling totals, and when a conversation's needed, You issue a written warning the employee reads and signs on their phone, filed with expiry dates the way ACAS expects. And the culture piece, a scoreboard. Points for jobs done, honest machine checks, faults reported, safety signed. Weekly winner, quarterly championship, prizes you set. Crews start doing their checks properly because a clean sheet is worth bacon rolls on Friday. When a client audits you, everything has a name, a signature, and a timestamp. You look like a firm 10 times your size. Act 7, the kit. Every machine tracks its inspections, Lola, Pure, MOT. Its crew checks, faults and fuel. Give it purchase and running figures, and SwardOps tells you its true cost per hour and per 1,000 square meters, so replace or repair decisions get made with numbers, not vibes. Spraying runs from tank mix presets. Build the mix once, apply it to a job, and the whole legal spray record fills from one signature, with live wind and weather guidance right there. Materials stock draws down as jobs use it, and reorder alerts fire before you run out on site. And a live board shows what kit is free in the yard right now, for the day an emergency job lands. Act 8, the numbers and a bit of AI. The reports are the finance director you can't afford yet. A live profit and loss, aged debt, a 13-week cash flow and true job profitability, labor, travel and machine costs against what you build. A needs attention block literally names the round that's losing you money. And the AI does the boring writing. Replies, quotes, chase-ups, drafted for you to check and send. Ask your business plain questions, like who owes me money, and get a straight answer. Every record keeps a history of who changed what, when. Stop guessing, start knowing. Act 9, 2 add-on packs for when you do the work, winter gritting and tree work. Gritting starts with frost alerts. SwardOps watches the forecast for every gritting site and tells you which ones will need a run this week. Crews grit with GPS proof, the exact route traced onto a map, salt logged, and every run invoiced in one tap. When the slip and fall claim letter arrives, you reply with a time-stamped map. Tree work gets a full register, every tree mapped with species and condition and protection status front and center. A TPO or conservation area tree physically blocks scheduling until consent clears. That gate keeps firms out of £20,000 enforcement trouble. Both packs are switches in settings, pay them no attention until the season does. And Act 10, the bit nobody else in the UK has. Subcontractors. Crew on holiday and 3 sites due. Post the job to the subby board, and local grounds firms on SwardOps see it instantly. Interested firms come to you, and one tap links them in as your subcontractor, with a free account that's walled off from your customers and your prices. They invoice you through SwardOps with CIS deducted automatically, or switched off entirely when your work sits outside the scheme. And on a quiet week, set your own radius and get pinged when work's posted near your yard. So that's SwardOps, one job, one to paid, and everything around it: crew, customers, compliance, kit, numbers, winter, trees, and subbies. Every feature has a 60-second video in the help guide. There's a request a feature button that genuinely ships things in days, and the trial is 30 days free, with 30% off for life if you join as a founding member. SwardOps.com. Get your Sundays back.